The rise and fall of ancient Greece. When we look at the x-axis of this chart, we see that the rise of ancient Greece began around 1750 BCE, and the fall of ancient Greece was around 338 CE. Our y-axis is showing us control and prosperity. Rise. Greek civilization started around 1750 BCE. Many city-states and the surrounding land developed on the peninsula and in the islands that make of Greece. The city-states were united in their language, but each was ruled separately and had different cultures. They warred with one another until the threat of the Persian Empire united them in 486 BCE. So things are starting to get better, or they are rising during this time period. We see that this arch is going up. Golden Age. The Greeks, led by the city-state of Athens, won a series of wars against Persia starting in 480 BCE, bringing stability to the region for a brief period. In Athens, a statesman named Pericles ruled and used the wealth that the Greeks gained from their victories over the Persian to fund public projects and the arts. This period of achievement from 461 to 429 is known as the Golden Age of Athens, or the Age of Pericles. So when we look at this arch, we are at the highest point in the chart, showing that this is where ancient Greece had its height of control and prosperity during its golden age. Fall. Fed up with Athens' control over other city-states, Sparta created its own alliance of city-states and fought Athens in the Peloponnesian War. Both city-states and their allies were weakened by the wars, making it easy for a king from Macedon, an area north of Greece, to conquer all of the city-states. His son, Alexander the Great, ruled Greece and expanded his empire all the way to India. And during the fall, we see that this arch here, things are going down. So control and prosperity is going down.